Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rafitech Digital. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Two-way authentication on your Facebook. First of all, you have to download this app on your phone. You can see this app here, authenticator app. If I should open this app, now I have my Twitter account, these are my Facebook, like anything that I have, like any social media platform, I'll turn them on, and this is it. So in order for you to turn on two-way authentication on your phone, have this app first. There are so many apps for authentication. Yours might not be like this, but make sure this authenticator app. So let me go to my Facebook app. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to I've already logged in my sister account, so I'm going to use our account for the purpose of this tutorial.
If you're a freelancer
account now, they store our phone. So I woke up this morning seeing that somebody has tried to log in around 12 a.m. and they sent me the code on the app. So me having the app, I have access to this account and the person cannot have access to it. So that's the reason for two-way authentication, right? So I'll click on this. When I click on this, I'll just have to scroll down. You see the setting and privacy here, click on it. After you click on those setting and privacy, after you click on this setting and privacy, you click on setting. So when you click on setting, you see this information, personal details, password and security. What we want to do for the purpose of this tutorial is to turn on our two-way authentication. So I'll click on password and security. So after clicking on that, let me do that one first. After clicking on that password and security, I'll click on password and security down there again. You can see the options. If you want to change your password, you want to turn on authentication, you want to save your login, you want to save your phone numbers, you want to all this the recent email, blah blah blah. Then this security checks now, these are the phones where this account is currently logged in. Okay, when I click on this where you logged in, they will mention list of the phones that this account has been currently logged in. So from there you can now try to delete. I don't know why my network is slow. You can now delete the phone or the devices that you don't want this account to be logged in again. So if let's say now I've deleted this account from that my cell phone that was stored. So if the person that has the phone tries to log into the account, they will ask the person that the password that expired, and the person will try to re-log in again. Let's see my network they even do safe. That's for that. We will come back for this. Okay. Okay, I think this device current. This is my phone I'm using right now. No login for this account, blah blah blah. Is it only this phone? Okay, you are currently logged in on this device, so it's only this phone that this account is logged in for now. Okay, so I'll pass there. So I'll now click on two-way authentication. I'll now choose the account I want to set the authentication. So when that is done, these are the way you can get your code. Is either they send the code to your message. If they send the code to your message, it will still appear as a two-way authentication. You added blah blah blah. Can we send they send the code to your phone number that you put? But I advise using that app. I'll soon remove this my sister number here because I don't want the person to have access to the number. So I will soon delete the number. Do you understand? So let's go to the apps there. This one is if you want to have a recovery code to always log in, this is where you have access to them. And this recovery code, when once you are done using, like all these code, they are recovery code. But once you are done using this code, they will be expired. You need to request for new one. It's already on in my phone, so I'll leave it like that. So they now say add a backup method. This backup method, they now say authentication app is highly recommended. We will recommend an app to download. If you don't have one, it will generate a code that you enter when you log in. Okay, I'll click on this. I'll click on it. So when I click on it, so these are the instructions I need to do. Alright, they say I should copy this key. It's either you scan the key with your barcode or you copy it. Okay, firstly, you have to download an authentication app. Secondly, you scan the barcode or QR code or you copy this key. So what me I want to do is I want to copy this key. So after I copy this key, I will now head over to my authentication app. I've already saved Happiness Facebook account so that I will know that this is my sister Facebook account. Do you understand? Okay, let me try to like I put another one again save. Okay, you copy the key and paste it here. Then let's say you have different account that you are managing on this app, so you need to write a name to specify those account. I'll now say Happiness account real. Let me differentiate it from the other one. So that key I copy, I will now paste it here. Oh, this is not the key safe. Don't mind. Didn't know that I later copied the other. This is the key I copied. I will now say add. And when you now say add, this is the account here. Do you want the authentication code save? So what I will do is I will just copy this code and go back to the app. So when I go back to the app, I will just click on next. When I click on next, I will now be asked to input the 6-digit code I copied. So I will just click here and click on next. So I will allow it to load. It's a two-factor authentication is on. We will now ask for a login code whenever you log in on a device that we don't recognize. To change your contact info, go to the personal details, select in account center. I'll say done. So like now I can say that this one has been added to here. This is how I can get login code through the authenticator app, through the phone number, and through the additional settings, which are those codes I told you guys. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do well to share this video to as many people that may need this right now in order to save them from the stress of people having access to their account. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.